Hi buddies, welcome to my channel. First, we need to make an ellipse for the eye. Feather option to 9%. Let's choose the eye color. I will go for blue, but you can choose any you like. Let's choose wrench, then canvas, then drawing guide. Edit drawing guide and then increase grid size. Select arrow to move the circle to the center of your drawing page. Select magic stick, then Gaussian blur and scroll it to 4%. Let's make new layer for the black pupil of our eye. Choose ribbon icon and then eclipse. Let's search for the black color, but if you want you can choose yellow or red color to have vampire crazy look. Press arrow icon and select the pupil and put it right in the center. Press magic stick icon and choose Gaussian blur to 5%. Let's make new layer and choose clipping mask. Press brush and search painting and then spectra. Sorry buddies that it took so long. Let's be creative. But if we don't like it, just press two fingers on the screen and it will erase your drawing just like undo step. I will go for green look, but you can choose whatever you like. We have to choose others colors as well. I will go for a blue color. If you hold your pen for a longer, it will make symmetrical ellipse. Let's go for a green color. Now choose the black color to kinda have that deeper or 3D look. Choose magic stick icon, then liquid and then press crystal button. See, it looks so much better now. Let's choose icon next to the brush and search in brush library the Spectra brush. Start to mix all the colors like this. Looks amazing! Now choose brown color and draw some small dots near the eye's pupil. Choose icon that looks like finger and mix color like this again. Let's choose a magic stick icon and then perspective blur. Roll it to 41%. Now choose the layer with the brown dots. Go to magic stick icon, then choose perspective blur and roll it to 41%. Let's make a new layer. Now choose clipping mask. Let's go for the green color. Choose brush library, then drawing, then Oberon. Try to make these wavy lines. Choose finger icon and blend colors like this. Choose brush icon, then airbrushing and then soft brush. Let's search the black color. Let us start painting, but if we don't see the result, you can increase opacity. Let's choose a magic stick icon, then perspective blur and roll it to 41%. Let's choose the finger icon. Now blend the colors. Go to Layers and choose Pupils layer. Now blend the colors like this. Now choose the brush icon, then Calligraphy and Monoline. I am still searching. Yeah, I found it. Let's search for the white color. Pull the white color between the lines. Press the Erase button, then search for Drawing and choose Blackburn brush. Let's make a new layer by pressing Mask on the current layer. Now choose Brush icon, then Airbrushing and Soft Airbrush. We need to make it look more realistic, so try to be gentle also on the both sides. These small details are necessary to have that realistic look. Now choose Brush icon, then Airbrush, then Soft Airbrush. I will go for a green color. We did it together. This is the finished eye look. Isn't it amazing? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like these. Bye, my friends.